How to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version, for which you need to go to the Play Store application and then search for Instagram. Now as you can see, my app requires an update over here because I have an update option available. So I'm just going to update the app. Now as the app updated, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to Instagram application. So make sure that you have logged in, and then what we're going to do is we're going to show you an example. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon right at the bottom of the screen and then create a story over here. So for that, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on story. Then just click any random photo and then mention someone that you want to. Here I'm just mentioning a profile and then selecting on done and then posting on stories. Now wait until the story gets posted on your Instagram story. You can check it by clicking the story and swiping up. Now after getting posted, what we're going to do is tap on the story again, and then you can see three dotted lines at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see there's no specific option of removing the mention. So what we're gonna look is we're gonna see the options. You can see on add mentions there is no way we can remove any mentions. We can only add but we cannot remove. So what we're gonna do is the only option that we have is to delete the story and put a new story without any mentions. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.